This is the Bilbao International Airport, but what happens here is the same as your day-to-day work. Follow the instructions and recommendations of our agents, who will help you through your different daily tasks. To begin with the setup and row organization, the two agents in charge of boarding must carry out the following actions. Agent 1 will turn on the computer at the boarding gate, check that the boarding gate screen is working correctly and that its information is correct. Agent 2 must move the totem of rows, positioning them parallel to the boarding gate. Please ensure that the stickers in the rows are placed correctly and are straightforward for our passengers. The next step is to move the cabin baggage basket to a place closer to the boarding gate without interfering with the rows or bothering the waiting passengers. Check that both rows are created correctly and that passengers are in the correct row according to their boarding pass. Remember that our passengers with express boarding and families with babies and small children must be the first to board.